man. That's pretty sweet, huh?
Yeah. You gotta try that sometime. This piece of wood looks badass too. What kind of wood is it?
Might be a rosewood.
Nice.
Let's go. And just a little bit, you don't need a lot. Yep. Get it up on it. Where's the distance? It's easier when it's wet. Yeah.
Come supervise us, Noah. Make sure we're doing this.
No, don't. No. Make sure you button back so
Just a little.
Oh yeah.
good.
It's a very tight fit, so very little glue.
Yep. You can this one too.
I'm not going to do that one. I'm going to see if he catches it. Joking. Nice.
You ready for this piece?
You know it. I can't see that. See the other line of the step back.
Get one side in first. There you go.
There we go.
Whoa, that one really good.
And go ahead and get that tenon board in.
Tenon board.
Oh, tenon board. Oh, tenon board.
Hey, you might want to take this out.
Where am I going? This way.
Yes, this side.
So we did both sides. No, one side, just the side.
Yeah.
Just the side.
Just make sure you got the right side facing out.
Yep, we got that, yep.
Grooves go up.
I put it on all four sides, is that wrong?
No, it's just not exactly necessary because it is an end grain.
I want to drive
Right,
the
once you drive it in, it's getting wedged out.
Can we do the right side?
wrinkle the paper. Oh yeah.
Alright, that's all three.
Don't wrinkle the paper again.
Sorry.
What side are you doing this?
We're doing both.
Yep.
All of it.
All of them.
We're gonna do all these right here, Dylan. That's what we're doing.
Oh yeah. Probably something like that, huh?
Wedges ready?
Yes. Wedges are over here.
Now what kind of wedges are
I have walnut wedges.
Aren't you?
Yes, I asked Noah and he graciously obliged me.
Teachers.
this thing.
Slap it on.
Well, while you guys were doing that, I was helping you out. I forgot to glue this thing.
Oh, really?
You did the side too?
Yeah.
I haven't done any of it.
We need to talk. I need to do the dovetails in the front and the back. But I want to use the bing that I got. There's some suggestions about grain and so forth and such. But I really want to try it.
Okay.
Got it cut. Just need to look at the grain orientation and say if there's a problem. And if it looks gaudy, it's my design, right?
It's yours.
Let's see,
Make
you
it
got
your own.
Moringa, Ebony, Purdue.
No, I have maple, ebony, and Purdue.
There we go. And Purdue.
No Babinga for me. It's her.
But aren't you doing that up for the dovetail?
No, I'm doing my dovetails and shit.
Oh,
Smash, smash, smash!
Alright, let's do it.
Alright, the vice
Let's
squeeze it in.
Let's get your clamps on.
All right. Good job, team. The clamps lined up front.
Just a minute. These are top, tiny bottom.
Well, there were someone else's. I pulled them out of the recycling bin and made them work for mine.
Okay. Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, go for pressure. Let's bring it in. This one's not doing much.
You're going the wrong way.
Screw it.
There you go. You're going the wrong way.
Yeah, he knows he's listening. So you can
It
bring
wasn't
back and
tightening
watch
it enough.
There you go.
Man, this is much easier. Yeah. What I did is
It was settling.
move your head.
And I'm gonna cut nice and horizontal. That was good. What's going on here? You didn't cut your back piece.
Still hanging out?
Which one?
Right here. Oh, in your rabbit. It's too late now.
Yeah.
We'll figure it out.
Oh yeah, this is supposed to be trimmed off, right?
No, yeah. Keep clamp. Is the bottom clamped for the other side?
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything's clamped.
Well, we might do a little different thing for you then. For your
Sounds good.
Go this way with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah. That would work.
Easy.
Cool. So if that's closed up, now you're ready to wedge. And that's why we got this. I pulled this little hammer out. So where's your glue brush?
We got a whole thing going.
Awesome. So take. I just have it in the hand, whatever. Okay, that's pretty flush. You just need a little glue, just like everything else, just to help us lock it in. That's pretty good, right? Then centered. Remember, it's a little heavy, and that's okay. And we're listening. Remember this says hollow and then tight. We're doing, huh? Yep, down the line.
All right, thank you.
Keep control of that hammer.
And say, you know, our bread supplier's really not working out, you know, we should just make our own bread. Yeah. And the principles, you know, everyone is
Make sure
expecting.
you find that comfort
Right,
zone.
so they bring it up in a, you know, team meeting. Yeah. And it can just be the guy who cuts bread for the sandwiches, right? You go to, and they will give him or her.
Favor in one way.
Well,
And then
might correct it somehow. That's what you want.
They'll stay together. I would really like that mild. Which one? A little different. The trout? It's wood. Oh yeah, trout, yes, it's a little bit different, but they, you know, it's stuff. They don't do it. It breaks down the texture is rubbery, whatever, so they settle the rice to manage the moisture right. I just love that there's, you know, 100, 200 varieties where they can go. If it's in motion, they'll put it in the can. Popples are one of my favorites.
Oh, they look good.
Voila!
And so I was like, yeah, I'll definitely take it. It was the price of the chickens anyway. So like, yeah. I thought that would be an adorable, you know, shell in the kitchen sort of deal. Loved
Hey guys, thanks for watching Edward Grable Studios. Like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.